Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a completely new format that I have only watched, but I have never tried to do it myself. And today we're talking about products that I won't be buying again. And I am honestly doing this so that you can make a more informed decision. I want to literally start this video with a disclaimer saying that these products are from brands that I really like. It's just that this particular product that I'm going to show you or talk to you about just didn't work for me, or it didn't do what it said it would do and maybe did something else. I don't think of the brand, I don't think any less of the brand just because one product didn't work out for me, और उनके 50-100 products में से मुझे कुछ 2 या 5 products नहीं पसंद आए. Products, makeup, things, these are all very subjective opinions, very personal opinions. So of course this is just mine. And with all of that aside, let's get right into the video. Alright, so the first one is going to be my most controversial one, I'll say. The first and the second one, I think. Anyway, so the first product is this. This is the Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder. Now I know that people love this powder so much. Okay, so the reason that I will not be buying this product again is I bought this because I was desperately looking for a loose powder, like a loose setting powder. But this product, it works well. So now this powder, if you apply it after you've done your base and after you've set your base with probably another powder or a compact, if you apply it on top of it, then like abhi jaise mera pura look ho gaya hai. So now if I apply on top of it, it's going to mattify my skin and it's going to give me the perfect finish. But I want to be able to apply this product on top of my foundation, on top of my base. I don't want to use another powder and then powder my face with it later. So this honestly works amazingly well when you have to touch up your makeup, but it just didn't do it for me when I had to directly apply it on top of my foundation. I tried giving my foundation some time to set and then applying the powder, and tried different variations of using this product, but it just didn't work for me. The day I applied this directly on top of my foundation, it just, I don't know, sometimes products perform funny, and it just felt like I could see the powder on my face and I don't even apply too much. I have given this product many fair chances. So over foundation, unless you have set your base, this is not going to work as well. At least didn't work for me. I have dry combination skin. I don't know, maybe if it has anything to do with your skin type, but after doing my whole face, if I want to touch up, maybe this will work. But no, I'm not going to buy this again. That's just how I feel about this. The next product is another very famous product. Now I don't know if I got a wrong bottle, or I don't know, I picked up a faulty product, whatever is it. So this is the NYX White Blank Eyeliner. This is a liquid white liner, and if you're somebody who loves doing these cutesy makeup looks, or if you just like a little a touch of a white liner in your makeup, this product can be very, very impressive in the beginning, and then it's going to be disappointing. Mine, I tried it, I applied it, it applied beautifully, the pigment was great, it dried in a very decent amount of time. But then if I go on and layer it up, if I add more layers, or if I try to cover a bigger area, this just, it cracks, it becomes too thick, it's difficult to get an even finish with this if you're layering it on. And my product, it just dried up. मेरा आधा बचा था product and it just dried up. I was so upset with this. Product dried up halfway. I paid quite a bit for it. I think उस time ये India में available नहीं था जब मैंने लिया था. But then I think now it's available in India as well, and they've launched a whole another range of this color, this product. But I was so impressed. I was so looking forward to using this product, and NYX products are great in general. Their liners, stuff like that is great. Just that this one was very impressive in the beginning, worked really well, but then dried up. The brush acted funny, didn't layer properly, so not buying this again, not spending my money on this again. Product number 3, this is from Benefit, and this is quite an expensive product. It's the Gold Rush blush. Okay, so it's a warm golden nectar blush. Now the problem is that I get that not everybody is going to like a matte blush. But एक लिमिट होता है ना, there's a line where a blush is a blush and then it becomes like a highlighter, and this blush, it works so much better as a highlighter. Like if you see it right now, the color looks super pretty. It's like a really nice warm peach pink kind of blush, but when you apply it, it applies very golden. It gives you a really golden like reflect. I didn't like the finish of this as a blush, and like when I'm buying a product that says it's a blush, I expect it to work like a blush and not a highlighter. So maybe the way it's marketed, maybe the way how, like, of course they call it a blush, so there's that. It's a nice product, like it isn't that bad. Like I hate the fact that I'm saying that I'm not going to buy these products or I don't like these products, but that's true. I'm not going to use this as a blush, and it's quite an expensive product. So this, no, I picked up from Amazon, and it looked really promising. It looked really promising, but it was also 160 rupees, so I wasn't expecting too much out of it. And that is this. And like I'm holding up 2 packets because I was so excited about these glitters, and I just decided कि चलो 2 ले लेते, because I do a lot of creative looks on my Instagram, and if you want to check that out, I'm gonna put some pictures like here. You can see like the creative stuff that I do, and I just really like playing with makeup, so that's just like so much fun. I'll also link my Instagram below so you can check that out as well. Okay, so I'm so going to regret putting this on my hand, but I'm going to do it for the sake of this video. If you see, this is applied, but it's just stuck on here, and if I pull it, it's not going to leave a lot of product. When I was putting on the glitter, it was very smooth. Like it didn't hurt when I was applying it. It did not hurt like while I was applying it. I just did like a swipe. I'll share the photo over here, and it was a really cool look. Like this look turned out to be really really cool. Lekin it was a pain to get rid of. I know glitter anyway is difficult to get rid of, which is why I gave it the benefit of the doubt. In my hands, it's applied better, but if you apply it on your eyelid, it doesn't stay in place as much. It feels too sticky. The base just does not make you feel very pleasant, and it is a pain to remove. Like when you're removing it, it might hurt a little bit, because like the sides of that thing that just poke you a little. Okay, so next up is this pencil from Sephora, Crayon Kohl, which is a long lasting kohl, and this is a nude color. I tried to sharpen it and give it another try before I filmed this video. Finally, I could not even sharpen it. It kept on breaking. It's like वो होता है ना, जब आप फेस मास्क लगाते हो, क्रीम वाला फेस मास्क लगाते हो, पैक लगाते हो, और वो ड्राई होता है, तो अगर आप इमेजिन करो आपने उस पैक को कहीं ऐसे थोड़ा सा टुकड़ा लेके आपने उसको रेफ्रिजरेट कर दिया है, और जब वो बाहर निकलेगा तो इट बिकम लाइक अ पत्थर. एंड दैट इज़ व्हाट द फीलिंग लाइक द कोल हियर हैज़ बिकम, एंड दिस वाज लिटरली आफ्टर अ यूज़ और 2. सो आज लाइक कि क्या पॉइंट, मतलब अगर ऐसा कोई काजल होगा या कुछ लाइनर होगा, अगर वो सूख जाएगा तो आप अगर आंखों पे लगाओगे, यू हैव टू आइदर ड्रैग इट टू मच, विच इज़ हार्मफुल ऑब्वियसली, or it's just not going to work. And in this case, it just did not work. So it felt like a real big waste of my money. And abhi ye chota aapko lag raha hai, this is a longer pencil. This is chota because I tried sharpening it and like trying getting to like a bottom layer so that I could give it like a fair chance, but it's just not worth it. The Aqua XL pencil from Makeup Forever, and I loved this pencil when I tried it out. The color, if you can see, this is so beautiful. It's such a pretty blue. I was so excited to try this out, and I was so excited to use it. इसमें मेरी गलती ये थी कि मैंने इसे कुछ टाइम यूज़ किया, उस टाइम ये ठीक चल रहा था. एक दिन मैंने इसको ना खुला छोड़ दिया कुछ दिनों के लिए. सो नाउ इफ़ यू डू दैट, आपकी पेंसिल का जो ऊपर का जो एक्सपोज्ड एरिया है, जो कोल वाला एरिया है, दैट शुड ड्राई अप, राइट? For some reason, the entire, again, the lead part of it, which is the product part of it, it dried up, and I was sharpening it again to give it a good try, and I was like trying to be as fair as possible for it. Plus, it's a really expensive pencil. It's like $1,700-1,800 for a pencil, and ये अंदर तक dry है. I don't know, like I just didn't have a good experience with this product after 1 or 2 times, and for something that's in this price range, you don't expect that. And plus, Makeup Forever is one brand that I really like. I have used their really famous foundation. That was my first expensive foundation that I purchased, and I loved it. I squeezed every last drop out of it, so I was so excited about this one. I had such high standards for this product, and imagine spending like 1800 rupees for a pencil for one color. So yeah, hard pass for me. Another expensive product that I purchased and I instantly regretted after I tried it on is this eyeshadow, which is like a liner shadow. So like it's a crayon, so you apply it and then you can just quickly blend it with your fingers, blend it out, and it'll work really nicely as a shadow. So it's something that K Beauty has been doing, and they have been doing it much better for a much cheaper brand. I have given this many tries, but it just does not work. I applied it and I quickly blended it. Like I did not even wait कि मुझे पता है ठीक है quick drying products में होता है, you have to be a little quick with it. You apply it, it'll move a little bit, it'll not even blend out like a shadow that it promises to do, and it will just stick like a pack. Yeah, मैं millisecond में थोड़ा ना blend कर सकती हूँ इसको, थोड़ा तो time लगेगा. I was very upset when this did not work. Like it was one of those products that I had like such high expectations from, because I'd seen such great swatches and stuff from other products, but it didn't work. This is a brand called Mina. What happens is when you like apply this product, it will show up on your hands and it will show up on your skin, but it just vanishes. Like I'm sure आप लोगों के साथ भी ये problem हुआ होगा when you apply a blush and it's just not a good quality, or the formulation is tricky, or I don't know. It'll apply well and it'll look really well, but after a while it'll just vanish. No matter what setting spray you've put, no matter what powder you've set it in with, no matter how much of this you've applied, it just vanishes. And that's my problem with this. It looks nice when you apply it, it applies well, but it does not stay. So why would you put your money in a product that you will apply which will vanish every 10-15 minutes, and then you have to keep reapplying? So yeah, this was my last product, which brings us to the end of this video. I don't know how I feel about it, honestly. If I don't like something, I'll just like casually mention it, but outright just making a video about things that I just didn't like felt weird. But it also kind of feels, I don't know, it feels right, because when we try so many makeup products, या अभी कितना कुछ आप experience करते हो, try करते हो, खरीदते हो, आता है, so you're bound to like not like products also. You can't always get amazing products. And this is why I started the video by saying कि just because you don't like one product from a certain brand does not mean that you dislike the entire brand. So there's so many products that I like from these brands. It's just that these particular ones did not work for me. So let me know your thoughts about like this video, your thoughts on this video, on these products, if you tried any, if you've had like a similar experience, and I would love to talk to you guys about this. And also let me know if you want more of these videos, because these are like the makeup products that I didn't like. I think I will have a couple of skincare products also that I tried and didn't like, or like I tried and I felt like they didn't really do anything for me. So maybe we can do like a skincare version of this as well. Yeah, that is it. I'm also in the mood to film a lot of favorite videos, or like products that you have to try, makeup products that I love and swear by. So that is one video that I'm actually very excited about, because now that we've spoken about products that we don't like, there are so many more, like literally by leaps and bounds. There's so many more products that I want to recommend to you guys, I want to talk to you guys about, and also do like these mini reviews on the side of them. So let me know if you would like that. I think you will. And I'm gonna see you on Monday next. Also on Monday, I'm announcing the winner of the giveaway, so you can check out my skincare routine video. It says the 40k giveaway thing also on it. So I uploaded that video on Monday. आज का Saturday का video हो गया. I'm so excited. Also guys, let me know what you think about my Mickey ears. I made them with my own hair, and this is a new look that I have been meaning to like. I've been meaning to try this out, but I was just overthinking about it. But I was like, you know what? Let's just do it today. So yeah, that is the end of this video. Again, a very long ending, but I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I am 100% honest about these products, and I will definitely be honest about everything that I put on the channel. So rest assured, you can be sure that I'm not going to suggest anything that I won't be buying myself. And I'm going to see you on Monday. Bye.